bitch. Lay it down, lay it down. You hoes, lay it down, lay it down, lay it down. You hoes, lay it down. YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. Before we get into this vid, do me a favor, let me get 400 likes on this joint. And something I need to discuss. A couple cats been hitting me, well, asking me these questions like, yo, what happened to your IG or something like that. At first I was like, well, you know what I'm saying? But I don't know, my IG's always been Wavy80. Hopefully it's still there. It's still there last time I checked. And set your notification buttons.
You giving me orders?
Set them notifications, because another cat asked me, and this is like the second time, it's like, yo, did you move down to North Carolina?
Why would I?
And I'm thinking like, damn, like how much have you missed? You know what I'm saying? Like what was I on the couch? Like in New York all of a sudden, and then just...
That doesn't even make sense.
Nah, but set your notifications so you can stay up to date, because I don't want to like ruin anything and you can go back and see like the whole story. But anyway, this video right here is about the Nike SB Dunks, the Ben & Jerry Chunky Dunkies. Gonna be a hard sneaker to get. Will I get it? I'm gonna go for it.
As a man thinketh, so shall he get. You know, some shit like that. You know, you read the Bible.
I'm also gonna put in the raffle for my homeboy, which I'll be tight if he wins and I don't. You know what I'm saying? I'll probably switch it up and be like,
Hello.
Smokey style. Anyway, man, yeah, this video is about what would I rock, even though I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get these joints because they're gonna be so exclusive. But then I started thinking about it. I was like, man, the challenge right there would be what I would rock with it. So with the help of my homeboy D, Bird, my man Zach, and Shane, bam, I came up with a few, well, no, they helped me come up with a few things, and then I did some more research.
Matter of fact, the only thing that guy ever did was just put his name first.
You already know what we're gonna start with. We're gonna start with the pants. This sneak right here is a loud as fuck sneak. Really, the sneak's gonna be doing all the talking, but I was able to find some shirts and stuff, but we're not talking about shirts right now. We're talking about pants. So when we're talking about pants, light, get that out the way. Yeah, I would do light, but my go-to would be some black joints, and I would probably end up going, since they're like these are low top sneak, I would probably get these joints from Minimal LA, the ones with the zippers on the side. Definitely. I like khaki. That's a good option right there. Also, Levi's. They got this jean that I haven't seen in a minute. I don't even know what happened to my joints. I don't know. They're like one of that real hard denim, but it kind of got like this freshwater colorway. Not like real deep, but it's a blue, but it has like that kind of freshwater tint. If I do see a picture of it, I am going to put it up there. But I think for my go-tos, it was probably going to be black and khaki. Definitely black and khaki. If you're doing some joggers, gray with some black in, well, you can do black joggers too, you know, but if gray with some type of designs in it, as a matter of fact, BBC, Billionaire Boys Club, they got some nice gray joggers that I saw up there. If we're talking shorts, you can still stick with the black, you can stick with the khaki, if you want to do light, but I already told you my favorite two right there. But I saw on, what's that, I got some jeans from there, and I love bigging them up.
They go that Earl nigga.
PacSun has some tie-dye like swim shorts that I would rock like if I was on vacation or something like that, or it's a real sunny, bright day. I would definitely come through with them joints. They have two pairs that I saw, but I was only able to see one pair on the damn site, but they had like on the suggestions or whatever, the sponsor joint, they had a pair, but I just don't see them.
So you can't see it all? Huh?
But them joints was hard too. Yeah, right now, you know what I'm saying, it's about to be summertime or whatever type of summer we're gonna be able to have. But yeah, those shorts definitely. So anyway, man, I'm about to go into town right quick. I'm about to go to the Ville right quick, sign for my taxes, you know what I'm saying? You know, I still ain't get my stimuli check though yet, but it's coming, I guess, right? But anyway, yeah, man, I'm about to go do that. I need some coffee first too. But when we get back, we're gonna talk about some shirts. I got a plethora. Hope I'm using that word in the right context, but if I'm not, I know somebody will let me know. But yeah, I got a lot of shirts, a few jerseys too. But anyway, yo, nice rainy day in the Ville. Y'all just kicking it with me, like I said, 400 likes on this joint. And I'll see you when I see you in a second. Out.
Rolling on blade, chopping up blocks. Rollers, Byzantine bag, heads filled with rocks, 2 Glocks. What did you expect? 600 bands There's 10,000 on my neck. Watch this boy rig. 10, brig a leg.
Grab the black pen, then sign for the check that I owe. Anyway, nah, it's all good. I think technically I'm probably losing out on like $20-something. Cool, you can have it. Before I get into the t-shirt spot, I be meaning to say this all the time. Whatever I say is not etched in stone, and I like to hear from y'all.
Are you going to say something?
Style starts with you. And if y'all got any kind of tips or anything on how you rock these joints, let me know below. Because, you know, I always comment back on the fly shit. But anyway, let's get into the tees. My homeboy, he put me down with a few joints. He went to this skate shop. Not really sure about the skate shop, but if he tells me what it is, I'll put that in the joint up top. But he did send me a couple of these Continuum tees. I guess it comes from Charleston's finest skate shop. But yeah, these joints are straight. I would actually throw something over them, like when it comes to like the fall time or something. But for right now, these joints are rock. You got this one tee right here. It's like that, I don't know what kind of color y'all say this, like a colorblind. It's like a teal joint, but it does look like that Ben & Jerry's ice cream type, well, obviously it's got that Ben & Jerry's ice cream type thing. The next Continuum joint is like that greenish baby poo type color. Nice one right there too. I think I would go with the more like the bluish green joint. I like this Body by Ben & Jerry's. That's cool, but like I said, something's got to go over the joint, but that's a nice one. Got another Ben & Jerry's joint, kind of greenish, cool joint. Again, throw something over it. And then this Ben & Jerry's Love Comes in All Flavors. I like this one too. Got the cows on there. That's pretty smooth. Another two joints you got is from Blue Tile. It's got that ice cream truck in that tie-dye color with the little ice cream joint on the top. You got that in green, and you also got it in royal blue. I like the royal blue one. It kind of pops, but you can't go wrong. Got another tee from Continuum. Got that little blue circle with the puppy in there. The joint's all right. That's really not like a favorite of mine. It's kind of like a small joint, and if you did throw something over it, it would kind of hide that damn little emblem right there. So, you know what I'm saying, I would go with something like more center mask if it was me. Oh, snap, I forgot. Another pair of pants. What the fuck was I thinking? I'm sorry. Another pair of pants that I would go for, or that would be another one of my go-tos, is definitely olive. And I would get those track joints. Well, I already got them, but I would get them from Minimal LA. I like their joints. That's that's another fly one. Shout out to Sugar Shane 90, because I'm going down your page right now looking at some joints. Now, what I didn't want to do was tie-dye y'all to death, but this Lithuania joint is cool, courtesy of Sugar Shane. And shout out to my man Bird Brook. He showed me a few joints. Yo, that button up with the damn different color flags, depending on what neighborhood rags, depending on what neighborhood or what city you stay in, that'd be a nice joint. I think I would stay away from it, but that would be a nice joint, cool touch. You had an LRG joint that you did put up there, but BBC does have a joint similar to that, but you did give me that vision, so I gotta big you up on that. And looks like the next time we're all gonna be out is about fall time, so BBC also has a hoodie that you could pump with that. And I would probably myself go with, I would probably just do some black jeans with that, and the ones from Minimal LA with the zippers. Or if we're talking jerseys, I was looking at the old Utah Jazz joint. I think I could do something with that. I believe I could. I would just have to play around with whatever I'm gonna rock on the bottom. But another joint that I did see, the Mighty Ducks. That Mighty Ducks joint a go. Hell yeah. Another jersey I was looking, shout out to my man D. He put me down with some of those rugby joints. I got the South African team. This joint right here would definitely go. And he also shot me this other one. I think I will go with the joint with it says the Castle Free on the joint, if I had to pick with between the two. But the other one ain't bad. It's just I'm not the biggest fan on the all white joints, you know what I'm saying? Because a white tee or white jersey is a white tee. Being able to wear that joint more than 3 times is unlikely.
Is that right?
So back up the wall like some what, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, yeah, man. So that's some joints I would do with that. Let me know again, would y'all rock with it? I know this is gonna be mad limited, but I just said, you know what? I did have fun doing the last two. What would I rock? Well, especially the last one. I had fun doing that. So right now, I'm gonna continue doing these joints, man. They kind of smooth work. So right quick, I'm gonna go mail off my joints right quick, so IRS don't come knocking at my door.
Yo, who is it?
Nick?
Or texting me anything. So I think I'm gonna go to the mall for a second. I'm gonna see what they got, if Foot Locker or anything like that is open. Matter of fact, them Pippins dropped today. Them up tempos. Them shit was moving. Did y'all have a chance to cop them? I could have, but then I was like, you know what? I might chill. I just don't know, other than the Flint, what my next cop is gonna be, you know? I've seen that they've had some sales on Stadium Goods, different other spots, but I just haven't found anything. What I am looking at though, even though I don't know how much of a summer we're gonna get, is some shorts that I'm trying to cop. It's from this brand I've never rocked before, but definitely trying to do that. But anyway, man, let me go to this damn post office, hit this mall. Might do a little vlogging up in here. I don't know, cause I've never vlogged in this mall before, and I don't want, like, you know, what hey, doing? Minding my biz. That's it. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, man, holla at y'all in a second. You already know. Out. All right, so I did go to the mall. They didn't have they didn't really have nothing. I was looking to see if they had them up tempos by any chance, which they didn't. But I did find Big Will, Big Willie. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, he got a tinting spot on Yak and Road. Matter of fact, behind Boulder World. Y'all know where that spot at, right there by behind Boulder World and the old C&J. Hell yeah, I was like, bro, I've been looking for you forever.
Forever.
Two things that I want to get done. I need to get tint on this window right here. That's the 25. And he's gonna put this, I got a pinstripe on my truck that I got done back in the day, and it had, what did it do? Oh yeah, it started to fade. So he gonna hit me over that too. So hell yeah, I'm glad I found him. So if I bring one of them joints here, drop it off, catch me, I'll be good. I'll be good. So hell yeah. So I am good. What's the last thing we can talk about? Oh yeah, hats. Hats I didn't really look for. Like I said, this sneak right here is pretty much what is it pretty much? Oh yo, this a loud enough sneak right here. I wouldn't even go that crazy. If I did grab a hat, it would probably be something to go with that Utah Jazz joint or that Mighty Ducks. Other than that, I would probably just bang me a damn a black joint, white lettering, like whatever. But yeah, no, I would just keep it simple. I ain't trying to be Coogee down to the socks, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to my homie D. I guess I'm gonna go to the crib, man, right now. Mother just picked up some sushi and some seaweed salad, so I will partake. Anyway, man, I got a pickup, a potential pickup, so I'm gonna let this go into another day, but just stick with me, and whenever I do that pickup, we're gonna unbox that right quick, and then we're gonna get y'all up out of here. 400 likes in the joint. Appreciate everybody that's been rocking with me, man. I know y'all missed that that New York scenery. I do too. I damn sure do. But right now we gotta work with what we can work with. Well, I do, you know what I'm saying? And it's your choice if y'all want to support, but I appreciate it. See y'all in a second. Here we go. All right, so I actually got 2 packages in. I thought it was just one, but another joint came to my homegirl crib, so I had to go back to the field and go scoop that joint up. Shout out to the people at Into the AM. You already know. Use my link below. You can save 10% upon any type of sale that they have. And shout out to my man Justin Knowles 32 for that cop with Into the AM. Use my discount code. I appreciate you, word. So let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got. Okay. Yeah. Alright, this is the Astro Shocker Glow in the Dark tee. Here you go, give y'all some more looks. You already know. Bam. So this joint glows in the dark. That. Turn to the back. You see the Into the AM logo right here. It's a nice lightweight joint. I do love the coloring though. You already know. Zach, what up? You know what I'm saying? How we looking? They actually dropped 3 new tees this week, and you already know they still got that t-shirt club where you use my code WAVY80. First month you get that t-shirt for free. After that it's $14.95 a month. They send you an extra tee. Well, they send you a tee each month. But like I said, they just dropped 3 tees right now. They also got a deal going on. It's 3 graphic tees for $40, or you got 3 of the basic tees for the $50. Use my discount code on top of that. You know what I'm saying? Save you something. But yo, shout out to Into the AM again. Y'all ready? Discount, the link to the discount is below in the description. Y'all already know, man. Say that bread. Shout out to Into the AM. Leave this right here. I got a pickup from Saks Fifth. I actually used my Amex card on this because every year I get, since I got that Amex, what is it, the platinum joint? Yes, the platinum joint. I get a $100 credit. It's broken down every 6 months, 50 and 50. So that's $50 off whatever you purchase. These joints was, I think they was on sale. These are some Polo Sport joints. Let me see. They was on sale for, they came to like $59.40. They was $88, I believe, at first. And with my 50 off, I only paid like 940. So here they go right here. Great joints, great drawstring. I like this drawstring. It's pretty funky. Polo Sport and royal blue lettering. Ralph Lauren and white lettering with the American flag. America. Then on the back, you got your pocket on the back. I would not really use that unless I was just throwing some keys back there, but I do like the pockets. That's one thing. I love shorts that have like some deep pockets, so I ain't got to worry about like keep tapping my joints and make sure my stuff is there. So yeah, we're good right here. So yeah, man, hell yeah, definitely break these out with them damn Uptown Harlems. You know what I'm saying? Do I got? Oh yes, I got some other joints, but I brought the Uptown Harlems with me. So yeah, man, these are my 2 pickups right here. Let me know. Like I said, 400 likes on this joint. I appreciate everybody that's been rocking with me. Shout out to the Wave Mob, everybody that's been commenting, liking, all that. You already. Let me know what your next pickup is. I think I've asked that already. You know what I'm saying? I just want to know. But I believe it's probably going to be the Flints. I am going to try to go after them damn SBs this weekend, but, you know, slim chances. But anyway, man, yo, I'm about to get up out of here. Follow me on that Snap. Follow me on that IG. Follow me on that Twitter. That Twitter be, but that snups. It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach, like I always like to say. See you when I see you. Out.